I will make some sacrifices right now.
How could you kill your own children?
But I have so many eggs, I need to make more space for the newborn babies. Oh my god. I can't stop, Anna, stop me! I can't stop myself from killing my peers!
You're getting free XP.
Yeah, that's true. This is an EXP farm, so...
Oh.
Okay.
Be free, go! No! He decided to go back in! I was trying to free him.
Oh god. Let's take some eggs. I will create some new life right away. This is not a sad moment, this is a happy moment. Some lives have to go to make space for more.
But why?
Because it's just I don't have so much space and I need food. Gonna have an egg party. You wanna watch how they hatch?
Okay. Sure.
Pew! Egg bazooka. And another generation has been born.
Wait, so what was the point of that?
Well, we kill them to get meat, but the chickens keep on recreating new eggs, so we have endless meat.
I see.
And also we get feathers for arrows. When we kill them. Smart, huh? I just wanted cute chickens, so that's all I wanted.